Hey, wagwan guys. Welcome to my channel. It's your girl, Jamaican Boss Lady. Hello to my new subscribers and wagwan to my old subscribers. Thank you so much for the continued love and support. Now today we are going to be looking into Gotranscript. Now we're going to be discussing how to sign up, information on how it works, what you will be required to do, how will you be paid, how much you can earn. Then we're going to go into what you will need to do this work from home. So you're going to need headphones, yes guys, or earphones, preferably headphones, a quiet workspace. You're going to need knowledge of the English language. You're going to need a PayPal or a Payoneer account to get paid to. Motivation, of course, because this is definitely not a get rich quick scheme. So you're going to be working and accumulating. And sixth and last, you're going to need a laptop or a desktop to do this kind of work. Alright, so by the end of the video we will go through all of this. So let's go. So here we are guys on Gotranscript. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below so that you can be directed directly to this page where you need to be. Alright, so go ahead and watch the video that says watch now right here. So this is transcription jobs available worldwide. So yes guys, you can do this in Jamaica from home, on your laptop, on the beach, or down by the river, wherever you want to go. As long as if you have internet connection, you are good to go. So we're going to take a look at the page, see how it goes. You can sign up, but before you do, just go ahead and watch the video. Click and watch the video. It gives you some information on what is required of you and so forth. So we're going to scroll down the page, and this is the area I know you guys are very interested in. So they say we pay competitive rates for online transcription jobs, and you can see you can earn up to 60 cents per audio or per video minute. The average earnings per month is 150 US dollars, and you can earn, the top monthly earnings is 1,215 US dollars. Now guys, that is the most someone has made, so that doesn't have to be your amount. Disclaimer: I cannot guarantee that you will make this amount of money because I don't know if you're going to put in the work. So if you put in the work, you will make it. You can do more than this that you are seeing on the screen even now, because the work is there. So it depends. If you're lazy, you're definitely not going to make this. Alright, so you can click on the apply button there, but let's go ahead and look a little more, delve a little more into what is on this site. So we already ascertained that it is worldwide, so it is available to you. So you do transcription jobs from home. All you need is computer and the internet connection. You receive great support. That means our customer support is good. You get paid reliably. Receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all work completed. Yes guys, yeah, for work, forget it. Work flexible hours, so you work when you want. You don't have anybody standing over you and telling you when to work. And right, so choose your own projects. So you choose what you want to work on. You're not bounded, you're not forced. And grow your skills, so receive regular feedback and learn from the rest of the team. So grow your skills while you are working. Then you can probably launch out after that and do your own thing where you can make more money, charge more money. Enjoy work variety, transcribe a police investigation one day and book research the next day so you can work on what you want. As I said before, stay busy. We have a steady stream of projects waiting for you, so jobs will always be there. It is up to you to do them. Transcription jobs online. We get new transcribing jobs every day. You'll always have something to work on. Isn't that awesome? Yes. Now, while we scroll down here, guys, we have the frequently asked questions. And just go through these, take a look at them, and see what they are saying. I'm sure any questions you have may be answered right here. Do you need experience to become a transcriber? You don't need to have any experience, you just need to have good English skills. That's all, guys. No experience. That is one of the reasons why I love this site as well. Okay, do you hire outside the UK? Yes, we hire anyone worldwide. It doesn't matter where you live. So, yes, Jamaicans can do this. Caribbean islands, they can do this. Are there any requirements for how fast I need to type to become a transcriber? No, we don't have any such requirements. We give around 6 hours to transcribe 10 minutes of an audio or video file. So we are sure it's enough time even for slow typers. So you don't have anything to worry about. If you're a ping pong keyboard type of person, 6 hours is a lot of time to do 10 minutes worth of audio transcription. So don't worry about it. Some other sites they require that you have to type at least 30. If I have a typing speed of 30 to be accepted. Okay, how many transcription jobs do you have? We have plenty of jobs. We receive new orders from our clients every day, and you will always have something to transcribe on the website. All right. And they have some more questions and answers here that you can go through and just delve into them, take a look, read them, and stuff like that. Okay, and here, how will I be paid? We pay every Friday through PayPal and Pioneer. So, guys, that's why I say you need PayPal or Pioneer. And I have a video on how to sign up for PayPal and Pioneer. It's free. And if you have been following my channel, you know I talk about Pioneer a lot. I love Pioneer because with PayPal, you will have to spend that money online or request a check. And when that check comes here, you have to lodge that check in your bank account for 45 business days before you can receive that money. With Pioneer, you will get that money in 2 hours if you pay the $3 US fee, or if you pay the $1 US fee, you will get it within 3 business days, 3 to 5 business days. You will receive that. Normally within 2 to 3 business days is when I receive that, when I choose the $1 load fee. Alright, so make sure you sign up for PayPal or Pioneer, and I would definitely advise Pioneer. Why are not all shortcuts working on the transcription tool? On some computers, some buttons are reserved. For example, F1, try to change your shortcuts. Alright, so look into those. What happened if I fail the test job? And so they will go and explain that. You can try again after a few days. Try working hard to improve. So they are very lenient on this site. They really give you a chance, an opportunity to improve your skills. They don't just push you out like some other sites do. And they don't require a lot from you, just that your grammar is good. And because you're gonna have to be typing up these transcriptions, so they require that you know English, and you don't have to be perfect, but at least you can grasp it. What happens after I pass the test job? Sign up to our website as a client with the same email that you used to send the test job. After that, check your email and follow the instructions to start working on transcriptions. So it's that simple, guys. So just follow the instructions, read what's on the site, and watch the video, then do your application. But go through the site first so that you will at least then have an idea of what they are requiring from you. Right? And I don't think I really have to do the application thing here, guys. It's very self-explanatory. Put in your name and your contact information, and do the test, and that's it. Then the test is not hard. The test is just to make sure that you know English, and that you have a basic knowledge. As I say, you don't need no experience as a transcriptionist to do this job, so the tests are pretty easy. All right, and it's not long, just probably 5 minutes or less. So just go through and do it, and let me know in the comments below if you need help. I doubt you will, but if you do, let me know. Also, if you guys sign up and you're successful, if you get in and stuff like that, leave it in the comments. Let me know that these videos are indeed helping you guys, and you know that I'm just not just doing them in vain. Let me know that they are really helping you. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe if you have not already done so, and share the video with a family member or a friend who you know can benefit from this as well. All right, so I will see you guys. One more thing. I initially said I was going to do videos Tuesdays and Wednesdays, but guys, it is not easy to find content for work from home in Jamaica to do 2 videos per week. So I'm gonna have to lengthen it out. So I'm going to be doing 1 video per week. So either on a Tuesday or a Wednesday. So just subscribe, click that bell icon so you'll be notified as soon as the video is uploaded, so you won't miss it. All right, and always check the description area for links and other videos that will help you to sign up with the process, and especially with Pioneer and PayPal. All right, so